Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Naki Yugi. Today I will make a pineapple dole whip and here's what we need. Our ingredients is already ready to mix all of it in the blender. What we're gonna do first is to have to put the 350 protein pineapple. Next is the juice. You have to use the half cup. And next is the vanilla, 1 cup. Then cover and put it into high. So here's the result. It should be like that. And it's ready to put in a bowl or cup. So here's our pineapple dole whip. Let's try and taste it. Mm. Love it. Mm. Mm-hmm. So yummy. Super good. Mm. So good. Really, really good. Mm. 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 So there you go guys, this is our pineapple dole whip, and if you like it, you can try it in your house with your kids. So thank you for watching. Have a good one everyone. See you in the next video. We followed a recipe that said use the 3 items, but if you want to save money, all you have to do is buy 1 can, 20 ounces or 567 grams of pineapple. Just strain the juice and save it in the refrigerator and freeze the pineapple and you can make it in the next day. Oh, by the way guys, this is the pineapple that I use. It's called pineapple and 100% juice. So what are you waiting for? Save now and you can make